I'm going to try and find to be able to speak. I don't know how Matangi you did it, but just listening to you. I don't know how you said what you said, but just even listening to you and just thinking of what the dogs went through was extremely emotional for me. And I honestly didn't know about this when it happened, and I think it was because of Lavanya. She brought it up with me, and I was in shock, and I couldn't believe that this was Bangalore. Because we've always sort of coexisted, and we've always been people who are extremely compassionate, empathetic, not just with dogs, with all animals, and we've always fought for trees and lakes, and when I got to know about it, I mean, in whatever capacity I can help, I've been helping, and I saw the video. In fact, Lavana tried sending it to me, and I said, I can't watch it because it makes my blood boil, and I start to rage. And Andrita, I don't know if she's here, she also sent me the video, and I shared it. I don't know if anyone has the heart to look at those videos, and it's sad, and it also makes me very angry that these institutions that we have faith in, and these are government institutions, we would expect them to behave more responsibly. And I heard how people who are working at the DRDO, they have been threatened of transfers and asked not to speak about it. And I don't know, you don't know where the dogs are. And Priya said that in court, apparently they said that they've relocated the dogs to another part of the campus, and they're being in some enclosure, and they're being taken care of. So I'm like, show us the pictures, show us the videos, show us proof that they're there, and then we'll stop this. There's no proof.
There's no question.
And so now I think, I mean, everything with this government, everything falls on deaf ears. So I think the only way we can fight this is legally. And I really hope that the courts give us justice for these dogs. And I hope that those who ordered this will be brought, and they should have the most strictest punishment. And I think I'm here to support all of you, and if there's any help that I can do, please let me know. And I really hope that they're safe and they're somewhere, and if they're not, then no, it's, I'm sorry, I'm just very emotional about this, and that's it. Yeah, I'm doing it, but I wish I didn't have to do anything, I wish these things didn't happen, where we have to even stand here and talk about basic things like having compassion and empathy. But thank you all for showing your support, and I really hope we get justice for these dogs. Thank you.